I just run through briefly because we have a very short time, and even actually a
5 to 10 minutes.
few of solution is actually tabled by our partner here, our colleague here in from Telecom, from SEDA, from iPrintis even. So Chulia group of companies, we have 15 companies under us. I would like to just explain on the technology and on the healthcare side, because in Chulia we have Chulia facility management in terms of the buildings, and we have Chulia utilities for our outside of the building, and even for this healthcare management we have Chulia biomedical engineering. So under the technology we have IoT remote building for the next slide, and blockchain and computerized maintenance management system. We emphasize in terms of maintenance and management system, not only for the commercial buildings, but even for the hospital buildings. Next slide, please. We are always still collecting data manually. We come up with our own solution, which is we develop our own Waris system, the smart sense system. And of course, in this smart sense system, we have currently we have 15 type of sensors, including vibration, humidity, temperature, and etc. But now, this solution is actually more to the maintenance of the buildings. Say, kalau tiba-tiba aircon batuk, kita dah tahu dah dia akan next 1-2 month dia akan rosak. So it's not just preventive, but we are actually doing for the predictive maintenance. We are not looking at the PPM only, but now we are moving towards to the predictive analytic maintenance. So bila dah batuk, kita buat maintenance secepat yang mungkin, tak perlu tunggu lagi date, due date dia ataupun due date PPM dia. Next slide please. So we skip for the next slide. Then next slide please. Okay, now we are looking at this outside of the building, because inside of the building, I think a lot of people is doing it even, because most of our solution is actually we install it in outside of the Malaysia, Indonesia, Dubai, and Doha. For this outside of the building, we have a vehicle tracking system for the buses, truck, motorbike, and also for e-scooters tracking system. We have underground drain monitoring system for safety and security, early warning. It's actually for alert of the banjir of anything, and even for the smart bukit hill slope monitoring, because we will share the slide to everybody to see the challenge, and then what is the solution, and then what is the key, the benefit of this system. Next slide, please. Okay, we even have the smart udara to monitor the environment. Of course, we understand that a lot of things is happening right now in terms of chemical smells, everything. So we can detect from here. And we also have a smart manhole, because normally bila besi ataupun keluli manhole penutup ni selalu hilang, kena curi. Jadi the movement and emergency monitoring system of this smart manhole is not just takut hilang of that keluli ataupun penutup tu, but we can manage even under the kumbahan ataupun manhole tu. Contohnya manhole tu semakin air dia semakin naik, ataupun konten tertentu yang can even in terms of the safety and the security. And we also have a smart longkang for flood level monitoring system, rivers, and also canals. Next slide, please. Yeah, we also have a smart bin, same as our friend just now from PCOM Technologies, and also smart tikus, hygienic and cleaner environment. We can install it near to the dekat, we call it pintu premise, or can detect the frequency of this mice lah. We also have a smart lampu to do a monitoring and control of lighting. Of course, it's not only lux, but even we also understand because we have CIC, Control Information Center. Control and Information Center is now we can have a site visit here in Chulia HQ at Sungai Besi, so we can see how we monitor. It's not only for Malaysia buildings, but even for the outside buildings like Dubai and some hospital in Doha. Dubai is a lot of villas under our maintenance. More than 1,300 villas is under our maintenance services. And for the building itself, we actually maintain do the maintenance of showroom like Ferrari, Audi, and all the high class all around UAE. It's not only Dubai for this maintenance and repair of this showroom, and even for the other buildings, like we are targeting Burj of Khalifa to do the maintenance of Burj of Khalifa, inshallah, in next 2 years, because the tender will come out by next 2 years. And even for Doha, we just received an award to manage the hospital facilities, 8 hospital facilities for Doha, Olympic Doha 2022. So this is what we can provide. Even if, let's say, yesterday I heard that some PBTs, I think, or maybe some panel said that the challenge is vendor or provider rarely or hardly do the POC. We are always open to do POC, even if, let's say, might to do POC at the buildings also, we can have it. And it's not just for the buildings. Even if, let's say, you for PBT having some issue with the river, some issue with the longkang, then we can have some POC, proof of concept. Next slide, please. This is for the international presence. We have Chulia integrated in Qatar. We have in the Chulia, Nambuda Chulia in Dubai, UAE, and then in Cambodia, even our latest in Indonesia, 2019 venture with PT Mendina Mentari Utama, which is we now manage of 168 of their universities and 106 hospitals, facility management, and also biomedical engineering and management. And next slide, please. This is the platform that we use, work automation and risk information system. We call it WARIS, and this is part of this CCMMS. Then this is what we need. I can share with you what is actually how we can manage not only 106 hospital and 168 universities in Indonesia, but we can do it actually together. Next, please. You can skip this one. Okay, this is 10 ways WARIS help with compliance and quality control on the tracking system, documentation, and even for the calibration up to generate the report and dashboard. Next, please. Okay, this is our client, local and international. Next. Okay, the solution is what we need is a case study in Indonesia. Actually, we have to be very transparency, and we have to band together. If say TM have their own solution, other partners like PCOM and even Sena Traffic have their own solution, we sit together and come forward and table the proposal together to the PBTs, because we cannot be champion of everything. So we can probably select of our core business or core sensor. Say we have Sena Traffic here is champion in traffic control. So we can combine together and then let's talk to PBTs and even all these the partners in what we do actually in Indonesia, because we have the platform of blockchain, we have our own platform of HIS system. So we integrate the PAC, picture archiving and communication system in Indonesia to have the very good and stable platform. This is that we combine and band together to have our good and very. We don't want to be like develop a new competitor. So we have to be like complementing each other, inshallah. And I think this is the last slide.
Yeah. Okay,
thank you very much. We are just awarded 2019 as a Smart City Pioneer Award winner in Dubai.